Welcome back to Rachel Sit Pilates. Today is a lower body wall Pilates routine. We'll be doing a warm up, 10 wall Pilates lower body exercises that really focus on the glutes and a quick stretch at the end. I'll be using no equipment today, but if you really want to up the intensity, you can add a set of ankle weights and wear those for the workout. So let's get right into it. Starting on our mats with our legs hip distance apart, feet are up against the wall. Let's start with marching. Bring one leg towards you and then the other. Let's begin. Now with the feet up against the wall, we're going to bridge up. So roll up and roll back down. And again, rolling up. If you feel it a lot in your hamstrings, I feel it a little bit, but if it feels like cramping, you want to scoot closer. Now let's turn your toes away from center and we're going to bridge up like this. So coming up, if you find it's too difficult to get up, you can scoot closer or bring your feet a little closer together. Squeeze the glutes at the top. Come down, bring those heels right next to each other. Feet are still turned out. I'm scooting closer. We're gonna be lifting the heels up. So bridge up, lift the heels, lower, and come down. Keep going. Come down, bring the feet back into parallel. We're gonna lift the heels for that. So coming up, lift the heels, drop, and lower. Keep going. Okay, bring the knees in, rock side to side, and we'll move on. Feet are up against the wall, hip distance apart. We're going to bridge up, lift one heel, lift the other, and come back down. Let's begin. So bridging up, lift one, lift the other, trying to stay up that whole time, lower down. Come down. I'll show you the next one while we're resting. We're going to bridge up. We're gonna hold and take one leg out. We're gonna lift and lower. We'll do both sides. Let's begin. Bring that leg down, other leg comes up. Let's begin. Bring that foot down, come down. Next, we'll try single leg. So coming up, bring one leg into tabletop, come down and lift back up. Let's begin. Now, if you find this is too difficult, you can put both feet on the wall and do a regular bridge. Put that foot down, other side. Foot comes down, come down. Bring the knees in. Bring the legs out. Let's bridge up. Either lift the heel or lift the leg and then the other. So adding on and lower down. Let's begin. So bridge up. If you can, pick the foot up, the other one, or just do the heel. And come down, keep going. Come down to rest. Now we're gonna bridge up again, doing another hold movements, and we're going to do circles. So doing small circles, your toe up towards the ceiling. Let's begin. Reverse direction. Foot comes down, switch legs. Feels so good to switch. Let's begin. Other way. Foot comes down, come down to rest. We'll take a few moments to rest here. Again with the single leg, so bridging up. Leg comes in tabletop, point it up towards the ceiling this time. Come down, lift back up. Let's begin. So always have that option. You can put both feet on the wall to do a double bridge if that's more comfortable. You can come down, scoot closer if you need to. Bridge back up. Let's go to the other side. Let's begin. Can kind of depend on your clothes or the type of mat you have or how much you're pushing into the wall to see how much you're scooting away. Bring that foot down, come down. Knees come into rest, rock side to side. Okay, coming out, feet are in a V, so heels are together, toes are apart. There's some space between them. Bridge up, lift one heel up, and then the other, and come down. Option to lift that full foot up if you like. Let's begin. So coming up, and lower. Come down. A few moments to rest here. We're going to press up, leg comes up, and then we're gonna do wiper. So you're gonna go out to the side and come back to center. Let's begin. So keep it small at first, and then bigger as you get more comfortable. Try to stay level here. Foot comes down, switch legs. Foot comes down, let's come down, almost done. Bring the legs in. Last two, we're gonna add some pulses. So just a regular bridge first. So coming up and down, and then we'll do 10 pulses at the end. Let's begin. So press up. And pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come down to rest. Now we're gonna do that with our feet in a V. So turn those toes away from center, and let's begin. So coming up, down, and lift. Keep going. and pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come down. Feels so good, it's burning. All right, and let's stretch. So bring one leg across. You can keep it here, or you can deepen that stretch by bringing your leg closer towards you, and we'll hold. Switch legs. Hold here or bring closer. Come up. Let's stretch our legs out in front of us. We'll do a hamstring stretch. Fold forward. Come up, butterfly stretch. Bring the feet right next to each other. Knees are open wide. You can sit up or you can fold forward. Come on up. All right, you're all set. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this workout. You can leave me a comment below letting me know how it went. I have many Wall Pilates workouts on my channel. If you'd like to view more of them, I will link a playlist in my description and in the comments below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.